Do dental implants hurt? No, they don't. The first day you're a little bit sore, but that's about it. You don't need intense pain medicine. During the procedure, I was awake, but it was more of a twilight awake. I was aware of my surroundings, and enough anesthesia was provided if I was experiencing any pain. I was consistently asked by all the staff here if I was doing okay and if I needed anything. During the procedure, the only medication I needed afterwards for the healing was a higher dose of ibuprofen. It was 800 milligrams, and honestly, maybe 2-3 days I needed it. Before I got dental implants, I had plenty of frustrations. I had spent a lot of money on my teeth with crowns and root canals, but I had the big mistake of being younger and not taking care of my teeth like I should have. My crowns were falling out. I had barely any teeth for it to hang on to, and it was just cost after cost after cost. And I investigated prior, what would a dental implant be? And then I came to the North Haven dentist, and everything was explained to me. The confidence I had in my smile prior to my dental implants was no confidence at all. I would actually put my hand up here at times prior to that because I thought everybody was looking at my teeth. After my dental implants, my confidence increased, and even my chewing prior to my implants, I was missing teeth and I was always chewing on one side. I felt like I was grinding and one side was different. My confidence was not there, and I avoided foods prior to my dental implants because I couldn't chew. Prior to my dental implants, I had difficulty eating food like apples. I love candy, so any kind of candy like brittle, I was afraid to bite into, and I was also afraid to bite into corn on the cob. After my implants, I felt I was not restricted to what I could eat. I felt like sky's the limit. Every time I went out to eat, I didn't have to worry. If I wanted something that I enjoyed, I was able to choose it off the menu. After I had my teeth removed, I was given temporary teeth for 3 months. My only restriction was I had to eat soft foods to make sure that my posts heal. There was plenty of food for me to eat. I did lose some weight because I'm not used to soft foods like that, but I was always made very comfortable, and anytime I needed to come to see Dr. Rory, they were more than gracious. They fit me in. I had no problems at all. Once my permanent teeth were ready, I came back to the office. Within 3 days, I felt comfortable. My gums were still a little bit swollen from having my temporary teeth in, but they fit perfectly. A little adjustment had to be made, and Dr. Ray had no problem fixing my bite. Are dental implants worth it? They were definitely worth it to me. I have spent so much money on crowns and root canals, and I was still having problems, and even though I had a root canal, I was still having pain. So to me, it was definitely worth it. It was probably less money than what I have spent on my teeth prior. The care that I do now for my permanent teeth is I have a water pick. Dr. Rory recommended that I get a water pick. I do that at least twice a day, sometimes 3 times a day, maybe 4 times a day, because I want to keep my teeth and my gums clean. I also use a toothbrush, but no toothpaste. Clean it with that afterwards. And that's all I need to do. Oh, and I just come for cleanings. I've had one so far since I've had my teeth put in, and they did a cleaning like a normal cleaning, and I just take very good care of them. I would highly recommend Dr. Rory of North Haven Dentist for any issues you are having and considering having dental teeth put in. The process was smooth, very little pain, very little anxiety, and the office and him make you feel so comfortable and so welcoming. Anybody would feel very welcome here. I highly recommend Dr. Rory and his office.